Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Next Gen Learning. In my previous video, I had discussed chapter 5 industries from grade 8. So now we are going to do the textual question and answers. You will get the link of this question and answers from the description box. Let us start. Here we go. What is meant by the term industry? Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods like iron and steel industry, extraction of minerals like coal mining industry, and provision of services like tourism industry. What is industry? They are asking. Industry क्या है? तो इंडस्ट्री हमारी वो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है जिसके थ्रू हम या तो चीज़ों को ज़मीन से निकालते हैं या चीज़ों को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं या हम सर्विसेज देते हैं. प्रोड्यूस करने का एग्जांपल आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री, एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ मिनरल्स इंडस्ट्रीज में आपका आ जाता है कोल माइनिंग इंडस्ट्री, और सर्विस सेक्टर में हमारा टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री. Which are the main factors which influence the location of an industry? You can write these points in a factors also. Factors that affect the location of industries are easy availability of raw material and land, adequate supply of water, labor, access to power and transport, presence of market, and a good amount of capital. Okay, these are the some essential factors which influence the location of an industry. Sometimes government also provides incentives like subsidized power, lower transport costs, and other infrastructural facilities. This is done to encourage industries to be established in economically backward areas. कभी कभी गवर्नमेंट भी हमको कुछ इंसेंटिव्स देती है, लाइक कम खर्चे का आपका ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉस्ट होगा, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज वो देती है, सो दैट जो बैकवर्ड रीजन्स हैं जो अभी प्रॉपरली डेवलप नहीं हुए हैं वहाँ पर भी इंडस्ट्री सेटअप हो, लोगों को काम मिले, उसकी पब्लिसिटी हो, तो वहाँ का टूरिज्म सेक्टर भी इम्प्रूव हो, वहाँ का आर्ट एंड कल्चर सेक्टर, स्मॉल कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज भी इम्प्रूव हो सके. Which industry is often referred to as backbone of modern industry and why? Steel. Obviously, steel is called the backbone of modern industry because almost everything we use is either made of steel or has been made with machinery or tool made out of steel. The steel industry is basically the feeder industry whose products are the raw materials for other industries. Why has the cotton textile industry rapidly expanded in Mumbai? Because of the favorable geographical climate, right? Again, you have to write these in the points. Warm and moist climate, proximity to the port, easy availability of raw material, and skilled labor helped in the rapid expansion of cotton textile industries in the Mumbai. Next is MCQ. Fort Gloucester is located in California. Out of these three, which one is not a which one is a natural fiber? Jute is a natural fiber. Now you have to differentiate between agro-based industry and mineral-based industry. Agro-based industry again are those industries which are using agricultural plants, products, and animals, while mineral-based industries are using mineral resources extracting from the earth by using different types of mining activities. Agro-based industry use plants and animal-based products as a raw material. It is a source of employment for people in rural areas. Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products, and leather industries are examples of agro-based industries. Whereas mineral-based industries are primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw material. It is a source of employment for both rural and urban population. Steel and iron industry and heavy machinery industries are examples of mineral-based industries. Public sector and joint sector industry. Industries owned and operated by the government are public sector industries. Steel Authority of India Limited and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited are examples of public sector industries. On the other hand, joint sector industries are owned and operated by state and individuals or a group of individuals. मारुति उद्योग लिमिटेड इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ जॉइंट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्री, पब्लिक सेक्टर में जिसमें गवर्नमेंट का इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहता है. ओके, और जॉइंट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्री में जिसमें दो लोग या तो दो इंडिविजुअल या स्टेट और इंडिविजुअल साथ में काम करते हैं, दैट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ जॉइंट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्री. नाउ यू हैव टू गिव टू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दीज. रॉ मटेरियल आयरन ओर एंड कॉटन, एंड प्रोडक्ट स्टील एंड क्लॉथ, End product means final product or finished product also. Tertiary activities, transport, banking, insurance also come there. Agro-based industry, dairy farming, sugar, cottage industries, potteries, and basket weaving. Remember cottage industry in which all the family members sit together and work with less, or you can say zero type of investment. But zero investment is not possible because you have to take purchase some raw materials like mud, paints, brushes. Cooperative sector, Mother Dairy and Anand Milk Union Limited means Amul. So guys, here we are done with the question and answers also of industries. Hope you learned, and you can get the link from the description box again. I'm informing you. Next, if you like my channel, please subscribe it for more videos. In my next video, we are going to learn the last chapter from grade 8 geography series. That is human resource. So once that is done, you can go through all the chapters together from the playlist of Next Gen Learning Graded Geography series. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.